Welcome to Channel 2 News. I'm Charles Chuddington, and I have some breaking news for you today. The world's economy appears to be collapsing. NASA struggles to find out the location where destructive meteorites are gonna strike. Dun, dun, dun! But first, the weather.
Hi there, I'm Bonnie Goldstein, and I'm reporting from Glendale, California. Glendale is located in Southern California near the Pacific Ocean. In fact, it's right below Los Angeles. It's 34 degrees 9 feet north and 118 degrees 16 feet west. It's located in the Northern Hemisphere, and its elevation is 530 feet.
Hi there, I'm Elizabeth Fairweather, and I'm reporting from Ann Arbor, Michigan.
Elizabeth Fairweather from Channel 7 News? What are you doing on our station?
Don't be surprised, Bonnie. I heard about you trash-talking my weather reporting skills on Twitter. I figured that we might as well have a competition to see who can report the weather better live.
Oh, it is on! Anyways, it's 3:30 p.m. on Monday, February 13th, and it is 62 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little above the average temperature for the month of February, which is 53.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 54% with a dew point of 44 degrees Fahrenheit. Since the dew point isn't entirely close to the temperature, the chances that there will be fog, rain, or clouds are unlikely.
Well, in Ann Arbor, it's currently 6:30 p.m. on Monday, February the 13th. Ann Arbor is a lot colder in comparison, with a temperature of 33.2 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 45% with a dew point of 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Currently, the winds in Glendale are blowing at 5 miles per hour out of the south-southwest. In Ann Arbor, the wind is blowing a little less strong at 2 miles per hour from the southwesterly direction.
Well, Glendale has scattered clouds at 6,500 feet.
Ann Arbor also has scattered clouds, except their altitude is at 7,000 feet.
The air pressure in Glendale is 29.9 inches and falling.
Ann Arbor's air pressure is 30.1 inches and falling. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's going down.
Well, as you can see from this front map, there's a cold front coming down from the northwest heading to the southeast. We expect that the temperature will drop in a few hours from 62 degrees to 44 degrees. Along with that, the clouds will clear up and the winds will die down.
In Ann Arbor, the winds will begin to increase up to 4 miles per hour from the south-southeast, and the skies will turn from scattered clouds to mostly cloudy with an overcast of 2,400 feet.
The upper jet stream winds are running from west to east at 100 miles per hour. The jet stream is flowing from the Pacific Ocean inward, bringing in water vapor or clouds. Speaking of clouds, let's look at our cloud coverage map. This infrared satellite map is showing a partly cloudy sky with winds traveling 5 miles per hour.
When we wake up tomorrow, we should expect to see clear skies move in following the cold front, along with a chilly temperature of 44 degrees Fahrenheit with 82% humidity. As you can see here, there is an Alberta clipper coming down from the north, causing a dip in the jet stream from Southern California to northwestern Colorado. In terms of cloud coverage, there are clear skies for Glendale, with a few high clouds in the surrounding areas. Are you still with me, Elizabeth?
Great, because I don't want you to miss this. Since this forecast is for 6:30 a.m. in Glendale, it's looking to be a chilly temperature of 44.1 degrees with 82% humidity, a dew point of 39 degrees, calm winds, clear skies, and air pressure that is 29.98 inches and rising. And even though Ann Arbor is ahead of Glendale by 3 hours, the temperature is even colder at 29.4 degrees. The dew point is close to the actual temperature at 28 degrees, which makes it likely that there will be fog, precipitation, or clouds. The humidity is 96% with wind coming from the south-southeast at 4 miles per hour. The air pressure is 29.87 inches and falling, with cloud coverage of 500 feet and an overcast of 2,400 feet. And for tomorrow's evening extended forecast, we're going to expect the temperature to moderate moderate somewhat from 63 degrees to a more chilly 54.6 degrees. The winds will also increase from 7 to 10 miles per hour coming from the west-northwest. The skies will turn from clear to mostly cloudy with an altitude of 6,500 feet to 11,000 feet. The humidity is 56% with a dew point of 39 degrees and air pressure of 29.92 inches and falling. Ann Arbor is significantly colder with a temperature of 36.5 degrees, a dew point of 33 degrees, 86% humidity, winds at 3 miles per hour from the southeast, air pressure of 30.19 inches and rising, and few clouds at 1,700 feet and an overcast of 8,500 feet. Looking at the extended forecast over the next day, the temperature is expected to drop further to the upper 40s and the clouds will dissipate, giving way to clear skies and calm winds. I suppose you won't be needing your raincoat today. The humidity is at 62% with a dew point of 35 degrees. Also, the air pressure is 30.5 inches and rising. Even though Ann Arbor is colder with a temperature of 39.1 degrees, the humidity is at 100%, making it very moist in this little city. The dew point is 39 degrees with light winds coming from the south-southwest at 1 mile per hour. The air pressure is 29.93 inches and falling with an overcast sky with clouds at 300 feet. Looking at the extended forecast for later this week, it may feel chilly in Ann Arbor with a nippy 38.2 degrees, which feels even colder due to the high humidity at 68%. Send the kids to school with hats and mittens to protect those little ears and little hands. Though the needle is higher on the thermostat in Glendale, it feels equally nippy out west at 50.3 degrees. There's lower humidity in the Sunshine State at 48%, which means both regions are experiencing about a 30-degree dew point average. Air pressure is rising in California as another weather maker moves in at 30.16 inches, while Ann Arbor is seeing the same air pressure but falling as milder days are predicted there. Both cities are enjoying clear skies. Face it, Elizabeth, I think there's a clear winner here.
You know what? Fine. You win this time, Bonnie Goldstein, but Michigan does have one slight advantage over California.
Dun 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 dun. Da 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 da.
Okay then, we'll be right back right after these messages. Stay tuned! Hey y'all, it's Miley Cyrus here, and I'm going to tell you about this wonderful product that my agent told me to invest in so that it'll boost my popularity. It's called the Dome Home. If you live in a place with rough weather, you're not alone. All I want is to sleep at night, but the fear of getting my house blown to smithereens keeps me up. But thanks to the Dome Home, I can finally live under a secure structure that can withstand the worst conditions of weather. That's right, I'm talking heavy snow, earthquakes, high winds, radiation, strong fronts, and more. The design of the Dome Home consists of geodesic structure, which makes it very aerodynamic, allowing wind to pass over the dome with less resistance compared to a regular house. Geodesic homes can withstand up to 200 miles per hour from tornadoes and hurricanes. Stand up to the threat of weather with the Dome Home today!